Hello friends, I am in Gurukul, Bangalore. When we started Gurukul here in Bangalore in India, there were doubts whether people would like to join us, where classical dance will be taught in a traditional way. Similarly, in various other Gurukuls in London, Switzerland, Dubai, we always had that fear, but the excitement of sharing art form in a classical format has been appreciated by many. There were many who said, we can't approach and we can't come up to the studios. What do we do now? Therefore, the online. This online program has now got us 100,000 students, 100,000 subscribers. And I must say, I'm really indebted and grateful for all the support that we have got from you. 100,000 for the English channel and around approximately 50,000 for the Hindi. It's a pleasure to share tradition in a contemporary way through the online vision. Happy to be with you as long as you want us to be with you. And really, let's make it go forward with the love and passion we all share.